and welcome to Fox Trading Solution. Today in this video we are going to learn about NumPy. Firstly, let us discuss about the contents present in this video. In this video we are going to get an introduction to NumPy, installing and importing NumPy and accessing array elements. Firstly, let us understand what NumPy is. NumPy is a built-in library which is used for numerical computations. It is basically used because of its computational efficiency in terms of speed. Numerical Python, that is NumPy, supports multi-dimensional array over which you can easily apply mathematical operations. It easily converts lists into 2D and 3D arrays to help plot graphs. Let us understand this with the help of a demonstration. To work on a NumPy library, we need to install the NumPy library. For it, we need to go on the command prompt and just type pip space install NumPy. As you can see, my requirement is already satisfied. So we are good to go with NumPy. We need to import the NumPy library. Import NumPy as np. So whenever I type np, it would be standing for NumPy. Let us run this cell. Now we can make it clear with the help of an example. For example, I have a list x containing values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, and I am taking np.array space x and print u. Let us run this, and as you can see we have a 2D array. Similarly, we can get a 3D array. I am taking the same example. Just we'll make changes in the value of x. As you can see, we have two 2D arrays. That is, we have a 3D array. Also, there are different kinds of matrix that are predefined. For example, np.zeros. Here we get a 1D matrix containing 3 zeros. We can also get a 2D matrix in the same manner. np.zeros bracket 3, 2. As you can see, we have a 2D arrays of 0. We can also have for ones in the similar manner. As you can see, we have a matrix of 3 by 4 which is containing only ones. We also have an I function for the identity matrix, that is np.I bracket the value. As you can see, we have a 4, 4 matrix containing diagonal ones. We can also have a range of values, that is np.arange bracket 10. So we have a range of 0 to 9 in an array. There are different kinds of operations that we can perform with the help of NumPy. For example, I am taking another matrix x and calling it np.array x. Let us print it out as well. As you can see, I have an array now. We can perform operations like x.max. As you can see, the maximum value is 3. Similarly, x.min. The minimum value is 1. To get the index of the maximum value, we will just type x.argmax. As you know, the index is 0, then 1, and then 2. So the index for 3 is 2. In the similar manner, we can get the sum. X.sum is equals to 6. To get a particular value out of this array, we can perform indexing and slicing operation. For example, x at 0, a square bracket. Let us print it. We have the value which is present at 0th index. Similarly, we can slice via lower limit, that is x colon 2. So we have the starting two elements of the list. Similarly, we can have a range. For example, x bracket 1. So only 2 lies between index 1 and 2 as we do not take the higher value. Similarly, we can slice a 2D array. We are taking the example we considered. This is an example of a 2D array. Let us perform operations on it. For example, u bracket 2 by 2, which means add index 2 cross 2. So index 2 cross 2 is 9. Let us run this and check. It's 9. In the similar manner, we can get a particular range. For example, 0 colon 2 comma 1 colon. Let us run this. Oops, I just made a mistake. Yes. As you can see, we can get 2 and 3. We can also perform operation like y greater than u. So we get all the values which are greater than 2 present in this array. So this is all about NumPy. See you in the next video. Thank you.